Frequency allocations for satellite services. Allocating frequencies to satellite services is a complicated process which requires international coordination and planning. This is carried out under the auspices of International Telecommunication Union (ITU). To facilitate frequency planning, the entire world is divided into three regions. Region 1, Europe, Africa, what was formerly known as Soviet Union, and Mongolia. Region 2, North and South America and Greenland. Region 3, Asia, which is excluding Region 1 areas, Australia and Southwest Pacific. Within these regions, frequency bands are allocated to various satellite services, although a given services may be allocated different frequency bands in different regions. Some of the services provided by satellites are Fixed Satellite Services (FSS), Broadcasting Satellite Services (BSS), Mobile Satellite Services, Navigational Satellite Services, Meteorological Satellite Services. There are many subdivisions within these broad classifications. For example, the FSS provides links for existing telephone networks as well as for transmitting television signals to cable companies for distribution over cable systems. Broadcasting satellite services are intended mainly for direct broadcast to the home, sometimes referred to as direct broadcast satellite service. In Europe, it is known as direct to home service (DTH) service. Mobile satellite services would include land mobile, maritime mobile, and aeronautical mobile. Navigational satellite services include global positioning systems (GPS) and satellites intended for the meteorological services, often provide a search and rescue service. This list shows the frequency band designations in common use for satellite services. The Ku band signifies the band under the K band, and the Ka band is the band above the K band. The Ku band is the one used at present for DPS, and it is also used for certain FSS. The C band is used for FSS and no DPS is allowed in this band. The very high frequency VHF band is used for certain mobile and navigational services and for data transfer from weather satellites. The L band is used for mobile satellite services and navigation systems. For the FSS system in the C band, the most widely used subrange is approximately 4 to 6 GHz. The higher frequency is nearly always used for the uplink to the satellite. In common practice, it is denoted the C band by 6 by 4 GHz, where 6 is the uplink frequency, 4 is a downlink frequency. For the direct broadcast service in the Ku band, the most widely used range is approximately 12 to 14 GHz, which is denoted by 14 by 12 GHz. Although frequency assignments are made much more precisely and they may lie somewhat outside the values quoted here, the approximate values stated are quite satisfactory for using calculations involving frequency. Care must be exercised when using published references to frequency bands because the designations have been developed somewhat differently for radar and communication applications. In addition to that, not all countries use the same designations. This table is taken from Dennis Roddy book. The official ITU frequency band designations are shown in this table for completeness. However, in this designations, along with 6 by 4 GHz for the C band and 14 by 12 GHz for the Ku band is utilized.